What up, guys? Jamie, Born Detailer.
I'm Shad.
We got a treat for you guys today. First of all, we're gonna go ahead and break these in. I've been using these for about a week now. And then guess what? Rehab. P&S Rehab. What you got there?
Correction cream, same thing, ran around 15, the cordless. This thing is unbelievable. More torque, more power, more torque than the corded version. The batteries are built to last. If you keep one charge, you'll never run out of power. It's hard for me to pick up any other tool now that I've used this thing. I'm absolutely in love with this machine.
Cool, so what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna hit this side with blue.
Intermediate, that's the intermediate pad. That's in between the
So it's not
foam
yeah, it's not heavy.
Foam. So
yeah,
it's a good one step pad.
And then he's gonna hit it hard.
I got the heavy wool.
No, let's just spend some time seeing how good we can get this finish out on here. More than you should, but it's my prime, so I do me.
To prime it, you can, be liberal. When you prime the pad, it's okay, use a little bit. It's your reloads that you want to.
Cool, so let's do, you do that side, and I'm gonna hit from here. Let's just do like 3 full passes. So 1, side to side, up, there's 2, and then back again, 3. So let's do 3 and just see the finish. So I'm gonna hit this whole side. I'm gonna hit from here to here. Is that cool? You wanna hit? Yeah, you hit that same, so we'll do it. All right, cool. We're just gonna go and see if we can finish, how this Mercedes paint's gonna finish out. Could be good, could be bad.
Your experience with Mercedes paint, is it typically hard?
Pretty hard, pretty hard paint. Pretty hard paint. This one's pretty bad. I did clay it already, but it probably can get even clayed more, but it's trash. We're gonna go through this whole car, so.
All right, let's run it.
Let's go. What do you think so far, though? A lot of work, good working time, right?
Oh, I love the working time. What's cool is the longer you work it, the more valuable it gets. The more the abrasive and the liquid kind of thins out. And unlike other products, they get drier the longer you work them. This actually seems to get wetter up to a certain extent. You know, I've pushed it past. I've done like 10 passes, but past that, it just keeps working.
I would say mainly for me on cutting too. I think it has a decent cut.
Oh yeah. What's really cool is you have the potential so you can run it. You can run it with a heavy pad like this, let's say like 4 to 6 passes, and then without wiping the liquid, you put a finer pad, so a finishing pad, like a polish pad or an ultrafine pad on, and run it with the same liquid, and you can actually refine it.
Do you have your tool?
So if I really wanted to refine this finish, if I was getting enough cut but it wasn't refined enough, I would do 4 or 6 passes with my heavy pad, and then I would switch right to a polish pad, a yellow pad or a white pad, or even a black HCO pad, and I would do 2 to 3 more passes to really get that finish that I'm looking for, without wiping, without reloading, because the abrasives are broken down. Now I've got to polish, so I don't have to swap. I have enough working time and enough lubrication to keep going with a finer pad.
All right, this is my final pass. I think I can just keep on going. I really like like I said, this was just my prime. I probably can easily do the whole hood with it.
Yeah, good working time.
Yeah, I think I can easily do the whole hood.
On this side, on this last pass, I'm gonna drop my speed down, and I'm gonna slow down just a little bit, see if I can get a little bit more refinement. See if it makes a difference, lighten up my pressure.
So I call that slow down, and I just call it a fast pass. That's what I call it. Dude, it's just long ass working time, bro.
The wipe off though, man, the wipe off. The wipe off is incredible. So nice, so easy to wipe off.
Definitely can cut. I probably should have padded up.
Yeah, I probably would have started. Well, I would have done my test spots, obviously, but we already kind of knew what we were working with, so I probably would have started with.
What did I do with mine?
Get a little light on it, see what we're really working with.
What you think?
So from where we started down here, to this. We got good defect removal. I mean, this is
hazy,
it's just hazy. So I could have patted down and then.
But seriously, I think the right way for this though would be a two-step. Like
this one,
yeah. I feel like, let me see.
Well, you're not. See, here's the thing: is you're not going to get enough defect removal.
But look at that light, bro.
And you were using the intermediate pad.
Intermediate.
That's actually pretty good.
But I know, but you have a cut though. That cut is crazy. Like if you come through here and look at that cut. There, obviously that is haze, but we ain't worried about that. No, but the gloss, that gloss is nice.
As a one-step though, I mean, that's probably 75% defect removal.
This is trash. This is a trash. Dude, look, this freaking paint is jacked.
It is, but that's a good, as a one-step, dude, most customers going from this to this are gonna be blown away.
Oh yeah, 100%.
So if they're paying for a level 1, you know what I mean? 70% defect removal.
But dude, the working time is impressive.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna grab some IPA real quick, and I'm just gonna, let's do a little wipe down.
I'm gonna try, do you have a finer pad? Let me see.
I got orange H2O. I got
one right here. So I'm gonna do a test with, I'm gonna run 4 passes with this heavy pad, and then without changing out the liquid, I'm gonna swap right to this finer polish pad and do 2 more passes to see if I can refine the finish that I got from that first step without changing my liquid, without wiping my liquid.
Just wanna see IPA, swipe down, get off all my extra residue in there, just to see the actual clarity of the actual paint. That's what I'm trying to do. So right off the bat, dude, that's some dope, dude.
Yeah, your
one
side
step
looks great over there. All right, I'm gonna run it.
Run it.
So I'm gonna do 4 passes, and then I'm gonna leave the liquid, and I'm gonna switch my pad and try and refine it. I'm gonna do a little bit smaller of a working area just for the sake of time.
Just to get the gist of the cut or the finish. Man, dude, I just feel like this machine is just such a game changer though.
So it's just so nice to use, man. So nice to use.
It's just like the workout is gone.
All right, so I have 4 passes with my heavy pad. I'm gonna keep this same liquid there. I'm gonna swap to a finer pad. I always try and brush or blow out my pads, even if they're brand new, just to make sure there's nothing lodged in there that's gonna, no, I'm not gonna reload, I'm gonna use what's already there.
Cool.
I'm gonna drop my speed down a little bit. So I am gonna prime the pad just a little bit so there's a little lubrication on there. I should have done that beforehand.
What do you think about when you're polishing?
What's that?
What do you think about when you're polishing?
What do I think about?
Are you thinking about just the paint, or are you like dozing off? Like,
I'm thinking about the paint, man. Just thinking about my technique. I'm thinking about pad rotation. I'm thinking about what, if this doesn't work, what I'm gonna do next.
I ain't thinking about, I guess I do think about the paint, but I'm thinking, man, what am I having for dinner tonight, bro? You know?
So coming from that, yeah, so that looks good. So I did 4 passes with the heavy wool, and then I swapped right to the fine yellow pad and did 2 more passes without wiping the liquid, and it's way different than, so
that's a healthy 2-step.
Yeah, but it's a quick 2-step because I can have 2 machines going. So this is just my heavy cut pad, and you see the difference just adding 2 quick passes with a finer pad. Look at the clarity in the bulb. So look at the bulb, see that? So look at how blurry this is, the bulb, the actual bulb, and then we slide down here. You see how you can see the details in the bulb, you can see the dust that's in the lens. That's how you check your clarity.
All right, let's see if we can burn through. I'm just joking, we can't do that. So anyways, dude, I'm feeling it.
I love the tool. I love the rehab. I love the flexibility.
So the rehab's probably going to be the new thing, right?
It's definitely going to be in the rotation for sure. Depends on, here's what, I mean, so if I got something I got to work a little bit longer, this is going to be my go-to. If I need
So we need to have a battle. We need to have a battle of the pures, meaning the pure with something with no fillers.
No
right?
fillers or no protection.
But I think it's going to be the new. The new is probably rehab, right?
That's
good
the
working
rotation.
chance. What about trim? Can you hit trim, or you're not sure?
That I'm not sure about. I think so.
That's a big deal. What's up, guys? You already know. Boy Shad, some Born Detailers here. Shine Guys, Full Effect, Jamie Gonzalez. Hey, let us know what we should battle next.
Or what we should try. If there's any products.
Yeah, what could we try?
I don't know. I feel like we've done all the latest and greatest. Unless, I mean, we don't know about everything. So
we need an old one. We need an old gem.
An old gem?
An old gem, dude.
Little throwback Thursday?
Throwback Thursday. Hey, let us know what you need. Peace out. Rehab.
Let's go.
We giving it good. 2 thumbs up. Peace out.